friends, we are driving to the volcano in the night from Reykjavik, and this is what we see in front of us. You see, volcano came back to life unexpectedly after 7 days break. And as always, eruptions happen in the night. This is so common activity in the night, eruptions. Yeah, I don't work now, so I have a chance to check it, you know, to hike, because I don't need to go to work tomorrow or the next day, so it really doesn't matter to me. This red mushroom is very well seen from Reykjavik. All the way from Reykjavik you could see that. And there's very much traffic now on the way to the volcano, and from the volcano obviously people are going to see it, like people from Reykjavik are driving to see it. You know, there was some sort of an earthquake. My friend went there and he experienced earthquakes in Geldingadalur, and all of a sudden there came eruption, and it intensified by the night. By 11 o'clock in the night, it went really crazy. So it started around 5 o'clock in the afternoon and had been intensifying ever since. Okay, we keep driving. We will go to Geldingadalur, I think, and I have 2 batteries to fly, so we will try to do some footages. I wish you all the best. We arrived here at the parking lot, and it was really hard to find a parking place. Here for Trail A, it's all occupied. It's fully packed with cars. Now in the night, at 11 o'clock in the night, so hundreds of people are coming to the volcano. At every parking lot is occupied now, so because of what is happening, as you see from here, from the parking lot of Trail A. So we will start our hike now, and I will do some drone flights today as well, and we are going to research and explore everything what is going on. So I wish you all the best, and I will keep you informed on the development situation. Rescue teams. Haven't seen rescue teams here for a long time, so now they are back. Now the flow of people increased, and there are rescue teams already, because we see huge amounts of people here now in the night. Still walking Trail A. I'm going to Geldingadalur. Still about half an hour left to walk. Incredible amounts of people are coming from the volcano on all trails. Trail C is even more busy than A, but this is A. We sat here down to take a break on the way to the volcano.